What's up, Lisa? Why are you crying?
Something bad has happened, Papa.
What has happened?
Marcus lied to me.
I don't understand that. What did the boy do?
He doesn't have any disease at all. He is completely healthy.
But he was in hospital after all.
It's all a lie. He just wanted to spend time with me.
I know it's tough, darling. But trust me, you'll survive. Time heals all wounds. You'll feel better in a few days.
I lost my best friend anyway.
What does Sarah have to do with it?
She knew Marcus was a liar and she told me so. But I didn't believe her.
Have you apologized to her yet?
Yes, but she doesn't want anything to do with me anymore. I can understand them. I wasn't really nice to her. Marcus wrapped around my finger.
I've got an idea. Come along, sweetie. Don't be afraid, Lisa. It'll be all right again. We're going to fix this. I'll help you with that.
Thank you, Dad. I don't know what I'd do without you. What are you doing here, Lisa? I'd like to apologize to you, Sarah. For what exactly? For not believing you. You said I'm a liar. You said I'm jealous. I know, Sarah. I wasn't myself. Marcus manipulated me. I'm so sorry. A lot has happened, Lisa. I'm not sure I can trust you again just like that. Please give me another chance, Sarah. You really matter to me. I don't know, Lisa. You've really hurt me. I invite you to eat ice cream every day for a month. That is a tempting offer. Okay, we can be friends again. Yeah. Thanks, Sarah, you're the best. So I'll see you at school on Monday? Yes, Lisa, until Monday. Thank you, Dad. You've really helped me.
I'd love to, darling.
Are we going back home now?
There is one more thing to do.
Where are we, Dad?
You'll find out soon, Lisa. Hello, Mr. Peters. What are you doing here? I'm here to talk to Marcus. Marcus, stay away from Lisa from now on. From now on, you can't see them anymore. I don't understand that. Marcus and Lisa are friends after all. They were before Marcus lied to us all. From now on, there is a ban. I don't want to see Marcus near Lisa anymore. Did you understand that, Marcus? Yes, I have, Mr. Peters. I'm really sorry, Lisa.
You can save yourself your apology, Marcus.
What did you do, Marcus? I can explain that, Dad. What does Lisa Sarah give as an excuse? A. A doll. B. Chocolate. C. Ice cream. Write a comment.